Hi everyone, today I am going to solve the chapter 3 of the world part of the Pearson MyITLab course, and if you want me to do any other part like Excel part, Assess part or PowerPoint part, or if you want me to do your Singage course or Simnet course, or if you want me to do your finance works, accounting works, math works, stat works, writing work, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and the thumbnail of the video. And now I am going to start this one assignment. Its name is Exp22 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Academics. Its project description is given here, so you read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. I am going to start from the first step, so by following these steps you can complete your work. In our first step he is asking, so start download and open the file name exp word chapter 3 cumulative assessment academics. Graders has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already downloaded and opened that one file. That one first step only involved the downloading of the file from the Pearson dashboard and then opening of that one file. And in our second step he is asking, click or move the insertion point before the blank mark at the top of the page 2. So we will go to the page 2 and we will select the blank mark at the top of the page 2. That's our place, blank space at the top of the page 2. And what next he is asking to do, using the Century School Book font 20 point size, type Crane States University. So we will copy that one and we will paste that one as a Crane States University and select that one. Increase the font size to 20 pt. And which one he is asking, the font category he is asking to use Century School Book font. So we will select Century School Book. Century School Book font is applied to our required text. That's our step 2. And press enter, change the font size to 16. So we will press enter and change the font size to 16 now. Change it here as a 16. And what next we need to type? We need to type a comparison of student GPA and involvement in the college association. So we will copy that one and paste that one without period. So we will paste that one as a, and we will select only text. So that's our text as pasted. Press enter and check the document spelling for the grammatical. All names in the table are corrected. So we will change. What next he is asking to do? Press enter. So we will press enter and then say go to the review tab and select the spelling and grammatical errors, and don't change the name. He asked that the names are correct, all names in the table are correct, so we need to change only spelling error, not names. So we will remove ignore the names and change only the any other spelling or grammatical mistake. That's the name. We will change that one group, and that check is complete and we have good to go. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? Apply align center alignment to the first row in the table. So we will select the first row in the table. That's our first row in the table. We will apply align center. That's our align center alignment we have applied. Click or move the insertion point on the last entry in the last row. So we will ending the 115. So we will go to the last entry. That's our last entry. What next he is asking to do? Press tab and type data of the following between the entry at the last. So we will go to the press tab. So a line arrow is inserted to the table and we need to type these things in the table. We will paste that one one by one. In the next one, we will type the names. Next three cells are empty, and the next one is accounting. Next one is 3.67 and 101. We will type 3.67 and then we will type 101, and then we again click on the tab button. So a line is arrow is inserted now. Also, we will type that one data to the last row. Typing one by one. We will type yes and yes. For the first one, we will leave. Here we will type CIS, and what the next thing, last two things are 4 and 97. So we will type 4.00 and then 97. That's our complete step number. And he tells us don't press tab at the end last item, so we need to don't press the tab. So if we will press tab, a row is also inserted, so we don't need to insert any row again. In our fourth step, what is he asking? Right click any name identifies as a misspelled, and from the shortcut menu select ignore all. So we will select the name which it's showing misspelled. In our sheet it's not showing because we have already checked that one sheet. If it will show, you will just click it here and it will showing here a mistake. You will ignore that one and select ignore all, so it will be ignored. Then select ignore all the table. Sort the table by major in ascending order. So we will sort the table now. We will select the table, go to the table design, table layout, and we will select the sort. For first one sort, what we need to apply the sort by major in ascending order. We will select by major in ascending order. And what next? The which one sort we need to apply? Then name by ascending order. We will apply name by ascending order. And the next one is so that the result are shared each other in all ascending order. So we will apply OK. That's now applied to our cell, our table ascending order. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Indicate the Michael and Andrew are both active in delta mu delta by yes in for each column of those two students. So we will type yes in the delta mu delta. That's our delta mu delta column. We need to find the names which one he is asking. We need to find the names. You can find it by checking that one, or you will just type that one. Here open the navigation pane and paste the name from here. Here is our name. We will type it here as a yes. No, we will type only yes here. And then what next he is asking to do for the other name? Andrew Sam. We will find that one. Here is the second one. We will type it here as a yes. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? Insert a row above the first row of the table and merge all the cells of the newly inserted row. So we will insert a row above. We will select the table and we will select the table layout and we will select insert row above. No, we will just select the insert row above and we will merge all the cells above all the columns. We'll select merge cells. And what next he is asking to do? Change the font size to 16 and type comparison of GPA to the student environment. So we will copy that one and change the font size to 16 and type it here as a comparison of the student. We have got our results like that. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? Shade the first row in gold accent 4. So we will select the first row and apply the shade gold accent 4. That's our first one. We will go to the table design and we will select gold accent 4. That's shading is applied to our row first. Select all the text in the third row through the end of the table, and the table may span 2 page. Bold the section. So we will select the from third row. That's our third row. Up to last the thing, and we will apply bold to that one. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? Select the entire table, select a pen color of bold accent 4 and line of width 1.5 pt. Ensure that the single line border is shown. Apply selection to all borders. So we will go to the select that one. We will close the navigation pane. Select the table and table design. We will select the pen color. What is the he is asking? Select a pen color of bold accent 4 and a line half pt. We will select pen color of bold accent 4 line half pt and apply to the all borders. That's now applied to our all borders. You see, we have applied our all borders a pen color. That's our step. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? Insert row below the last row of the table. So we will go to the table and we will insert a row. After the last row, we will select the table and insert a row downside. We will select insert row below. That's a row inserted. What next he is asking to do? Type average in the first row of the. We will type average. Here we will type average. And what next he is asking to do? Press tab 6 times. And then what is he asking? GPA column, include the formula of the average values of the column above. So we will select the here we need to insert a formula of the average above. We will press OK. So an average is applied to our required range of CSU, GPA. That's our step number 9. We have total 21 steps in this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you want me to do any other steps like any other part of your Pearson MyITLab course, like Excel part, Assess part, or PowerPoint part, or if you want me to do your Cengage course, Simnet course, or Finance course, Accounting course, Math course, Stats course, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the channel and in the thumbnail of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get any video updates. Thank you.